Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find accounts and backup. Let's tap on it. Right here we've got this Google Drive section to backup the data, so simply tap on this option, and here let's tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so let's simply tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so you can learn things about the backup. So you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, stored securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, here we've got another section connected with the backup. So here we've got more like details. You can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details also. So what has already been backed up, you can always check that. Advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can be sure that you will not be charged for accessing the limit of the mobile data. And to be honest, to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. And as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.